Meaning of dreamily.
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 Dreamily. Dreamily is an adverb that describes someone who is lost in thought or daydreaming. It suggests a peaceful, almost trance-like state, where the person is disconnected from reality and immersed in their own thoughts. Someone who is dreamily gazing out the window, for example, might appear serene and relaxed, with a far-off look in their eyes. This word can also connote a sense of wistfulness and longing, as if the person is dreaming of something they wish they could have or experience.